Hey, it's Linda, and today we're going to show you 3 things we love about the Miele dishwasher. It knows how to get the best results, you can pair it with your smart devices, and it gives you more flexibility. I'm going to head over to the lab now to show you this in a bit more detail. It gives you the best possible results and makes sure you don't use too much detergent. It does this by giving you the exact right amount of detergent at exactly the right time for the program you've picked. What's really cool is that it comes with these power discs. So these contain all your detergent. All you do is load them into the machine and it takes care of everything for you. You should get about 20 washes per disc, and it just makes things a lot easier. And when you've got that power disc in, you can really make the most out of the remote access using your phone. Because you don't physically have to be there to load your detergent, you can get a cycle started wherever you are, or schedule one ahead and just get on with the rest of your day. Rather than trying to shove things in, you can actually make adjustments to suit whatever it is you need washed and create space where you need it. So it makes loading and unloading a lot more flexible. To find out more about this Miele dishwasher, visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.